In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart recovery on your Wix site. This is a useful feature if you want to bring shoppers back after they leave your store without completing their purchase. Abandoned cart recovery helps you automatically send a follow-up email to those visitors, which can improve conversions and recover sales that might otherwise be lost. The setup is simple, and everything can be done directly from your Wix dashboard. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website settings, store tools, and customer features. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Customer Management section. From there, open Automations. This is where Wix lets you create actions that run automatically based on customer behavior, including abandoned carts. Inside the Automations area, click the option to create a new automation. You should see a button labeled Create Automation. Select that to start building the workflow. Wix provides several ready-made automation templates, which makes this process much faster and easier. Next, find and select the Abandoned Cart Recovery template. This template is designed specifically for customers who add items to their cart but leave before checking out. By choosing this option, you are telling Wix to trigger an email when that situation happens. Once you have selected the template, click Use Template to load it into your automation settings. After that, take some time to customize the email. This part is important because it gives you the chance to match the message to your brand and make it more effective. You can adjust the wording so it sounds natural and professional, and you can make sure the message clearly reminds customers about the items they left behind. Keep the email simple, friendly, and direct so it encourages the customer to return and complete the purchase. When everything looks the way you want, click Activate. This turns the automation on and allows Wix to begin sending abandoned cart recovery emails automatically based on the template and settings you selected. Once activated, your Wix site will handle this process in the background, which can save time while also helping you recover missed sales opportunities. It is a small setup, but it can make a meaningful difference for your online store. That covers everything you need to know.